Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today I am going to show you how to create a Facebook group. Okay, so let's get started. Then first of all, click on Facebook app. Okay, then tap on group option and tap on plus icon. Okay, just click on create a group and click and choose your group name. Choose privacy, then public, and create a group. Just wait few seconds, loading this page, and next close to create a Facebook group. That's all. Thanks for watching. Please like, comments and subscribe. Thank you.